How to create avatar on Facebook. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am showing that how to create a avatar on Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook app. Now click on this profile icon. Now click on this profile page, and now you can see the first option of a avatar. Click on this. Now choose your skin tone of your avatar. You can choose anything. You can set your hairstyle of your avatar, and now you can choose your avatar hair color, and you can also choose the shape of your avatar face. You can choose the outfit of your avatar, and done. It takes some time. That's it. Your avatar was created. You can choose a pose of your avatar also. Thanks for watching. Follow for such more helpful videos.